Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you a really quick and really easy item duplication glitch in the Oblivion Remaster. Let's get right into it. So all you're going to need is a storage container that's empty. For example, a barrel. So you want to open up the storage container. Then you want to press F on your keyboard. So now we can view the items in the barrel and the items in my inventory. Now, you're going to need a stack of items, like some arrows, and we're going to be using this in our duplication glitch. So I've got 249 arrows, so if I use this stack, I'm going to get 249 of whatever item I want to duplicate. So you'll ideally want a stack of at least over 20 items. Now you need to click and drag the stacked item into your storage container. And when you let go, you'll be prompted with a how many menu. So you want to put your mouse over continue, but don't click on it, and press Shift and Enter at the same time. If it worked, no items will be in the storage container, in this case the barrel, and they'll still be in your inventory. Now we just need to put an item in the barrel and we'll duplicate it. So I'm going to just click on Elven Short Sword, and now there's 249 of them in the barrel. If I click on them again, I can then pick on how many I want in my inventory, so I'll just do 249, and now my inventory has 249 Elven Short Swords. And if I press escape, I'm now over encumbered. I can walk about, and if I open up my inventory, I can do left control and click to drop the stack. I can pick them up again. I can shift click and drop them one by one if I want to. Or we can try it out in a store. So now I've made it to a shop, so I'm going to speak to the shopkeeper. I'm going to barter with them. So we're going to have to sell these a few at a time to be within the number up here for the merchant. So 1,141 is less than 1,200, which is how much Rashenda has. So she'll sell for that. Then we can do the same thing again. So we have to sell the swords little by little, but you can do it to get some quick and easy money. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.